Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is ceffyl, which means horse. Ceffyl, as in, lle mae'r ceffyl? Where's the horse? Ceffyl, horse.